Hey, here's a here's a starting point, a program. We're gonna be making a password saver right about now, or sort of an account system. I don't know. We'll make it up as we go along. So, this isn't really a tutorial. I'm just gonna be making it. I'll tell you this. Add echo off. This is just so that it's a blank screen. As you can see, it's completely black. Uh, it's blank. If I don't know if I made it color 31, which is my favorite color, pause, file, save, exit, start, and then it's this piece of garbage. So yeah, it's, what you see is what you get. That's what we got. That's what we got there. That's what we have. Alright, cool, so then I press a key and it exits. So I'm just gonna leave that right there. So let's make something. Let's title it Count Creator. Count Creator. Hope that works. Color it 31. I like the color 31. And then we'll just give it a top. Clear the screen. Echo account creation. More like a creator account. How do I spell creator? Account creator. Echo. And I like to add these little things here and there. Just good design. I don't know. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna do navigation. I like that's not how you spell. I like to turn this into art, which is why I'm very finicky. Navigation. W is up. U is up. S is down. E is enter. Sounds about right to me. And then we'll add a whole crap ton more of these. Bam. Yeah. Then top option 1. Just name that option 1. Because echo create account echo to access account echo or delete account. Delete account. I like how seamless those all are. Not entirely perfect, but not horrible either. And we're gonna have a choice function here. That's no. Choice slash C to WSE slash N. If error level is 3, and then we're gonna copy and paste that 300 billion times. Control C. 2, 1, go to, if it's 3, then it'll be E, and we'll go to create account. If it's 2, then it'll be down, and we'll go to access account, go to option 2, and if it's 1, go to option 1, because we don't really want to have a loop around. You know what? Sure, let's have a loop around. We'll go to option 3. Just because that'll probably look cool. And so, basically gonna control, paste, option 2, we're gonna change some formatting here. This is a system that I made up myself. I'm decently sure I'm not the first person to have used this system, but it's a nice sort of checking and whatnot. If it's 3, go to create account. No. If it's 3, we're going to go to access account. Access account. If it's 2, we're still going down. Nope, we're going to option 3. And if it's 1, we go to option 1. So now, Control C, we go down again because we have 3 options. We have to do this 3 times. Bop. Go back, space, and put the not curly bracket. We are not in JavaScript currently. Cool. Alright, if it's 3, we're gonna go to del account, just for nice, and if it's 2, we're gonna go down, we're going to go to option 1, if it's 1, it's up, go to access account, which is 2. Am I right on that? I am right on that. Cool, so now we're gonna make a whole bunch of those, so we gotta make create account, CLS. Wow, I really dislike that I'm at the bottom of my screen here. We're going to also make, what did I need? Access account, CLS. Then we're going to make del account, CLS. So let's start with create account. Kill me. Let's see here. What are we gonna do? You know what? Screw it. Let's file, save, and see what we have so far. So this is what we have. So See, I knew that'd look cool. That's nice. Oh, D doesn't do anything. So yeah, this is basically I can swap between any number of these, and it works. It's sort of like batch animation, I guess you could say. I'm sure there's a simpler way to go about it, but I'm retarded, so and you see if we do that, nothing happens because physics. We don't have anything in these parts yet, so we're going to put things in them. Create account. To create account, we want to first have our navigation system, I guess. We're gonna copy and paste that over because it's a good system. Echo. You know what? Actually, no, thank you. Echo create an account. Then echo Jesus. Good, and then set /p user input. New ACC new account equals new account name, and then if exist. We're gonna save them as like text files, maybe? No, not text files. Oh, I have a great idea. We're gonna save them as files such as like whatever. You know what? I mean, I don't have to explain myself to you peasants. Let's see here. If exist, I don't know. Oh, we actually can't do that currently. So we have to set /p new PSS password. New account password. If exist, NACC dot NPSS, right? Yeah. If exists, then we're gonna do something. We're gonna go to I don't know. Exists already. We're gonna go to exists already. But if it doesn't exist already, we're going to break. We're going to break NACC dot NPSS. It's gonna be right there. It's gonna be cool. Cool. Alright. And then we can do CLS echo account successfully. Fully or fully? I think it's fully created. Then timeout -t1, that maybe 3 null no break, because I'm stingy son of a gun. Go to option 1, right? That's what it's called. Yep, it's option 1, alright. Alright, that's that bit done. Now we actually, I sort of have a rule of thumb. Whenever I make a new go-to place, I do that first, and then I branch off. So now I'm gonna need to make exists already, just so I don't forget about them, because it does happen. Exists already. Echo. I'm terribly sorry. I'm sorry, but that account and password. Oh wait, that's a horrible system, because then if you get lucky enough to, I don't know, man. You know what? Sorry, but that account already exists. Please try again. Press any key. Pause. Null. I don't like the way they present it, so I'm just gonna do my own thing, you know, man? Go to create account. There we go. We have that. That entire system's good and good. So now we need access account. Echo access account. Echo. Nice things there. Set /p acc equals account name. Yeah. And set /p pss equals account password. Yeah. If exists, basically the goddamn same thing. Control C, but without the n, because these are different variables. Go to access granted. And you know what? I'm just gonna make this super long for the sake of a meme. In hacker voice, I'm in. Access granted in hacker voice, I'm in. I like that. I'm just gonna copy that. Control C. And now if it doesn't exist, we're gonna CLS and echo. I'm sorry, but that account doesn't. I know I didn't type that. I didn't spell that wrong, but it felt like I did. So, exist. Would you like to create an account? These are probably really long lines that are gonna lap. I really hate lapping lines, but we'll get back to that later. Choice /c yn /n. You know what? Whatever. We don't. That's good. If error level 2. I'm gonna scroll down a bit because yeah. Go to option 1 or no. Access count. And now there is no way to go back, I guess, yet. Whoops. I guess option 1, just so that we have the ability to go back if we want to. So if error level is 1, go to create an account. I don't know, what is it? Create account. Create account. Cool, boom, we got that. And if it's not any of those, it'll beep at you, so it's a very annoying beep and I don't like it. It's scary. It hurt my feelings once. Alright, so Control C. Now if it does, we're going to do this. Little colon there. Access granted in hacker voice I'm in. CLS echo ACC account echo. I'm just gonna make a lot of these just in case they have a really long name or whatever. And then echo You have nothing in your account and we hate you. Pause, null, exit. I didn't say I'd be making any functionality to this, I said I'd be making a system where you could do this. So, yeah. Alright, so we've got that. Now we just need to get our del account in, so echo delete account. Echo boop up up. Alright, now set /p DACC, yeah, equals account name set /p DPSS equals account password, because you gotta have their password and you gotta have their name to delete it. Now if exist, gosh, I want to kill myself. Chelsea D and a D there. Go to delete account because I already have del account reserved, and so yeah. Now if it's not, CLS echo this account does not exist, and we don't really care about prompting you anymore, so pause and go to option 1 for the sake of being able to go back, I guess. Now we have delete account CLS echo are you sure echo choice. We're gonna make just gonna can I where is it? Here it is. Alright, there we go. If we are sure, I'm going to go to final del account, and if we're not sure, we're going to go back to option 1 because we're cool cats. Cool. Final delete or del account CLS del Control C echo account successfully. Is that how you spell success? Successfully deleted. I don't know. Echo. Put some of those in there. Echo. Press any key. Pause. Null. Go to option 1. The boom. Boom. It's right there. File. Save. Exit. Go into. We're going to create an account. Our account name will be X server, and our password will be. Shh, guys, keep this a secret. Don't tell anyone my password. Alright, it is. I hate my life. .org. We have an error. We have an error. I'm sorry, but that account already exists. Please try again. So what seems to be the issue there? So we go to create account, and if exists, go to exists already.
You have the feeling of Yugen when you see out in the distant water some ships hidden behind the far off.
It didn't break anything, so if exist, is it if exists? No, it's not. It's very much if exist. NACC dot. It could be that I tried just the .org thing. I'll just X server. Guys, don't tell anyone my password. Alright, it's I don't know. Pass. Alright, no, we have an actual error here. We have an issue, guys. We have an issue. Please, somebody, let me die. I just want to die. Alright, so it's going to this bit. when we want it to go to this bit. So let's see why that's happening. If exists, which it doesn't exist. Go to, oh boy, hiccups. Go to exist already, but it doesn't exist already. So I am Confucian. Very confused. Usually I know what the air is about. I don't know, did I just do something wrong? Let's see here. I'm just reading it over and over again in my mind and I'm not seeing any error there. Not seeing a thing. I'm just gonna save that real quick and retry it. Create account, we're just gonna call it ACC and PSS. Sorry that account already exists. It's going to exist already. You know what, let's can we just get rid of that? And just get rid of that real quick. File, save. Just get rid of it, see what it does. ACC PSS account successfully created. No, I don't think it was actually. Access account ACC PSS. We have an issue. We have a big issue. Wow, there's a lot of issues in our code. You know what? Yeah, I get you. Alright, there's just, you know, there's like a lot of issues. Just gonna file, save. Just gonna delete both of those now. Deleted. Alright, see ya.